Hi, this is Katora, the Notary Community Manager at BlueNotary. And today we're going to be looking at how to create a sample document that you can share with your state. So first we're going to want to look at our settings. And here in our settings are our personal details. And our personal details are important because they relate to what appears on our eSeal. So if we go to our personal details here, we'll see our name, our email, our commission number, state, county, and when our commission expires, and your city if you need to put it there. So all of this information will be on our eSeal. So to take a look at our eSeal, we'll want to go to Manage here, and then go to eSeal. Now here we see our eSeal, and we can use this eSeal or we can change it if we want to upload a different one. So I feel like I want to change mine, so I'm going to put Change eSeal, and I'm going to go to my documents. And here I have a file that I'd like to use. So I'm going to click on it, press Open, and it will upload my new eSeal. Now, let's say I'm not happy with this and I want to go back and change again. So again, I'm going to go to my settings. I'm going to click here. I'm going to go to my personal details, and I'm going to just press Save. And I'll get notification that my notary details have been updated. I'm going to go to Manage again, go to my eSeal, and look, it's back to the original eSeal that I started with. So now that I'm done with my eSeal, I want to create my sample document. So I'm going to go to the session simulator on the home page under Additional Resources. And here is a session that's going to allow me to create my sample document. So I'm going to scroll down in this sample document, and this is where I'm going to place my seal and my signature. So I'm going to place my seal here. So now that I've added my seal, let me add my signature. So I'm going to drag my signature here, and I'm already selected as a BlueNotary user, and I'm going to choose a signature. Now there are 3 different signatures that I can do. I can draw my signature, I can type it, or I can upload it. So let's start with draw. So I'm going to draw my signature here. Katora Notary. And I'm going to click this box, and I'm going to adopt my signature. Okay, so here is a signature, but you know what? I'm not happy with that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this, and I'm going to delete it. And I'm sure I want to delete. Now, what I want to do is now, since I didn't like that signature, I'm going to go to Menu. I'm going to scroll all the way down to Reset Signature Consent. And that will allow me to do a different type of signature for this session. So I'm going to select myself, and I'm going to reset the signatures. So let's try a different signature. I'm going to drag signature again, choose, and I want to type. I want to type my signature, and I can use this font. I can change my name. I also have different font types if I want to. So I like this one, and that my name is spelled right. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to adopt, and there it is. But you know what? I'm not happy with this signature either. So I'm going to make sure this is clicked. I'm going to press the delete button on my keyboard, and I'm sure that I want to delete this, so I'm going to press delete. Again, since I want to change my signature, I need to go to the menu, Scroll down again, reset signature consent. For myself, reset signatures. And so for the last time, I'm going to go here to signatures. I'm for myself, choose, and I want to upload this time. I want to upload one that I've created for myself. So I'm going to upload my signature here, one that I've created for myself in a very nice font that I like. And I'm going to do this, and I'm going to adopt, and here is the signature that I've uploaded. So now that my seal is the way I want it, and my signature is the way I want it. Now, before you complete the session, you may be wondering, where is my digital certificate? This is not a regular file that you can see during the session. Your digital certificate is encrypted into your document and is available once the session is complete. Once you download the completed document after we complete the session, it will be encrypted inside the document. So make sure to watch our next video on digital certificates and how you can view them. So in the meantime, let's complete this session. So now that my sample document is done, I'm going to go to Menu, and I'm going to complete the session. And I'm going to press OK. And here is my completed document that was downloaded. And if we scroll down, I can see my stamp, my eSeal, and my signature. And notice that it has BlueNotary Session Simulator on this document. So that is how you create a sample document that you can upload to your state. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.